Jasmy price right now is $0.019, with a 24-hour trading volume of $287.07 million, market cap of $94.26 million, and market dominance of 0.01%. The Jasmy price increased 5.28% in the last 24 hours. Jasmy reached its highest price on February 16, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $4.92. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.008, cycle low. The highest Jasmy price since the last cycle low was $0.329, cycle high. The Jasmy price prediction sentiment is currently bearish. Jasmy's current circulating supply is 4.75 B Jasmy, out of max supply of 50.00 B Jasmy. In terms of market cap, Jasmy is currently ranked 148 in the Ethereum sector. Jasmy price in US dollar has decreased by minus 34.10% in the last 1 month. Jasmy is down minus 21.58% against Ethereum, and down minus 22.72% against Bitcoin in the last 1 month. According to our current Jasmy price prediction, the value of Jasmy will rise by 11.53% and reach $0.0221 by May 10, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the fear and greed index is showing fear. Jasmy recorded 37% green days with 17.02% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Jasmy forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Jasmy. Comparing Jasmy against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Jasmy price could head over the long term. The following table shows what the Jasmy price would be if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook, in their growth phase. Based on today's classical pivot point, with the value of $0.0195, Jasmy has support levels of $0.0186, $0.0169, and the strongest at $0.0160. Similarly, Jasmy resistance levels are at $0.0212, $0.0221, and $0.0238. Jasmy price is positively correlated with the top 10 coins by market cap with a value of 0.638, excluding Tether, and positively correlated with the top 100 coins by market cap excluding all stable coins, with a value of 0.616. Currencies that are positively correlated with Jasmy indicate that the movement of one has a statistically significant weight to lead the other in the same direction. For currencies that are negatively correlated with Jasmy, a move in one direction for Jasmy would translate into a move in the opposite direction for the negatively correlated coin. To get a better idea of what could happen to the Jasmy price in the future, it's helpful to also explore Jasmy's price history. In the last month, the Jasmy USD pair is down minus 34.10%. The 1-year performance of Jasmy USD is minus 98.56%. Some traders try to identify candlestick patterns to try and get an edge over the competition. Some candlestick formations are seen as likely to forecast bullish price action, while others are seen as bearish. A bearish breaker between its 400% bull rally in late March and early April. This technical formation is obtained after a demand zone between two higher highs is flipped into a resistance barrier. Such a development took place on April 26, when ZIL crashed 10%. This move produced a daily candlestick close below the $0.097 to $0.121 demand zone, flipping it into a bearish breaker. Since there are many underwater investors in this area, a retest is likely going to result in a massive crash from investors wanting to break even. On April 5, Zilliqa price tagged this breaker and is currently getting rejected from it, hinting at a 20% crash to $0.074. In a bearish case, this downtick in selling pressure could shove ZIL as low as $0.0508, constituting a 45% nosedive. Since this bearish, Zilliqa price set a bearish breaker between its 400% bull rally in late March and early April. This technical formation is obtained after a demand zone between two higher highs is flipped into a resistance barrier. Such a development took place on April 26, when ZIL crashed 10%. This move produced a daily candlestick close below the $0.097 to $0.121 demand zone, flipping it into a bearish breaker. Since there are many underwater investors in this area, a retest is likely going to result in a massive crash from investors wanting to break even. On April 5th, Zilliqa price tagged this breaker and is currently getting rejected from it, hinting at a 20% crash to $0.074. In a bearish case, this downtick in selling pressure could shove ZIL as low as $0.0508, constituting a 45% nosedive. Since this bearish setup comes after a 38% ascent, many investors will be caught off guard and are likely going to be trapped or liquidated. Zilliqa price right now is $0.0891, with a 24-hour trading volume of $4.34 billion, market cap of $1.14 billion, and market dominance of 0.06%. The ZIL price increased 25.18% in the last 24 hours. Zilliqa reached its highest price on April 17, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $0.256. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.033 cycle low. The highest ZIL price since the last cycle low was $0.228 cycle high. The Zilliqa price prediction sentiment is currently neutral. Zilliqa's current circulating supply is 12.74 BZIL out of max supply of 21.00 BZIL. In terms of market cap, Zilliqa is currently ranked 32 in the Ethereum sector and ranked 1 in the Zilliqa network sector. The price of Zilliqa in the ICO was $0.0038 and the token sale ended on January 3, 2018. Since then, ZIL price increased 23.44x against US dollar, increased 7.14x against Ethereum, and increased 9.07x against Bitcoin. Zilliqa price in US dollar has decreased by minus 33.64% in the last 1 month. ZIL is down minus 21.03% against Ethereum and down minus 22.20% against Bitcoin in the last 1 month. Zilliqa price showed a bullish impulse that pushed it massively over the last day. However, this move is likely to be cut off from the momentum as it approaches a hurdle that is likely to propel it in the opposite direction. Interestingly, this development comes after Zilliqa's plethora of partnerships in April, like joining the Blockchain Gaming Alliance, BGA, and getting ZIL listed on Binance, BitGet, and Bitpanda. Additionally, Zilliqa is also working with Atomic Wallet to get ZRC6 compatibility so users can see NFTs on their wallets. On the other hand, if the buying pressure increases, pushing Zilliqa price to produce a daily candlestick close above $0.121, it will invalidate the bearish breaker, and hence the correction thesis. In such a case, ZIL could climb 10% to retest the immediate hurdle at $0.133.